Breaking, a massive blizzard warning was just issued, and millions are now in the path. The Arctic blast is paralyzing major cities, halting all travel and shutting down highways. Forecasters predict visibility dropping to zero within minutes as whiteout conditions strike. Winds will top 60 miles per hour, snapping power lines and causing massive outages. Emergency crews are on high alert as record snowfall threatens to trap entire neighborhoods. This isn't just snow, meteorologists warn of a rare, bomb cyclone intensification occurring. Stay safe and track the storm. Follow for more urgent weather updates right now.